Now let's go back to Osun State, where we told you earlier that the coordinator, YIAGA Africa Center for Legislative Engagement, Sam Oguche, said African leaders have been urged to ensure good governance, accountability, and patriotism. We have more details in this report.
It's a town hall meeting with the theme, Working with the Voice of the People. It was put together by a member of the National Assembly, Clement Akani, in Ilaragun, in collaboration with YIAGA Africa. The motive is to deepen democratic governance through effective legislations. The coordinator, YIAGA Africa Center for Legislative Engagement, Sam Oguche, says the recent overthrow of democratically elected presidents in some African countries cause for concern.
When the people are not seeing the dividends of democracy, when the system is marked by massive corruption, when there is no faith in democracy anymore, then the people are bound to revolt. And that is what we have seen in some African countries.
He said YIAGA has facilitated a number of capacity-building workshops for lawmakers in a bid to ensure effective legislation that will strengthen the country's democratic system.
Through this capacity-building program, we have seen a massive increase in the number of bills sponsored by legislators, in the number of motions moved, in the level of their contribution to debate at the floor, and in their general oversight activities.
The lawmaker representing a Lafira constituency, Clement Akani, promised to adopt all the recommendations at the meeting for effective representation and also empowered over 200 farmers.
Because of the situation we find ourselves in the system today, local governments, most of the local governments in Nigeria today are not really functioning well. So people have seen the roles of the local government as that of the honorable members, both in the House of Assembly and the federal constituency. We don't have any choice because you don't want to see your people suffering. So we are now engaging, in several other assignments that we are not supposed to, to take on.
Very sure local governments, both our local governments and federal governments would witness a rapid development in terms of human capacity development, socio-cultural development, and economic growth.
The event afforded traditional rulers, artisans, market men and women, trade unions, as well as religious leaders in attendance to suggest actionable policies for their lawmaker for efficient representation at the National Assembly. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Ilaragun, Osun State.
And in Plateau State, the president of the Evangelical Church Winning All, Stephen Mbaba,